Welcome to TheAutoVerse, your go-to source for engaging and detailed automotive content, from timeless classics to the latest innovations. Today, we're exploring the charm and legacy of the Citroen Dyane, a car that stands as a symbol of quirky French ingenuity from the past era. Introduced in 1967 as a more refined alternative to the Citroen 2CV, the Dyane captured hearts with its distinct style and practicality. Under the hood, the Dyane was typically equipped with a modest two-cylinder engine, with early models offering a 425cc unit that produced a modest 21 horsepower. As the years went on, a more powerful 602cc engine became available, delivering about 32 horsepower, giving the lightweight vehicle a boost in performance suitable for its era. These air-cooled engines were known for their simplicity and remarkable reliability, which helped solidify the Dyane's reputation. In terms of looks, the Citroen Dyane featured a boxy yet functional design. Its front end had a distinctive sloping hood, integrating seamlessly with round headlights and a simple, unadorned grille. The roofline extended in a nearly flat trajectory toward the rear, with the iconic corrugated metal roof that could be rolled back like a convertible, perfect for breezy drives through the countryside. While the Dyane's aesthetics were minimalistic, it exuded a certain charm that made it unforgettable among enthusiasts. Its utilitarian design served a practical purpose, catering to rural and urban drivers alike. Step inside the Dyane, and you're met with an interior that emphasizes simplicity. The cabin had a basic but effective layout, with seats that were comfortable yet easily removable, showcasing Citroen's emphasis on versatility. The dashboard was straightforward, featuring an uncomplicated instrument cluster and controls that were user-friendly. Despite its simplicity, the car offered excellent visibility, and its suspension system provided an unexpectedly smooth ride, absorbing bumps on rough roads with ease. When it comes to pricing, the Citroen Dyane has become a collectible gem in the classic car market. Depending on the condition and model year, prices can vary significantly. A well-maintained Dyane can cost anywhere from $6,000 to $15,000, with restored versions fetching higher values at auctions. The car's increasing rarity and its cultural significance have contributed to its allure among collectors and enthusiasts. Thank you for tuning into the Autoverse. If you're passionate about cars and love discovering fascinating automotive stories from the past and present, make sure to subscribe to stay updated. We'll see you in the next video.